Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Docusign CLM in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through every step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Docusign website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner and click on it. This will take you to the login page. If this is your first time, make sure you have your email address and password ready. Enter your email in the provided field, followed by your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so check your caps lock. If you've forgotten your password, just click Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it securely. After entering your credentials, click Login. You'll be redirected to your Docusign CLM dashboard where you can manage documents, send agreements for signature, track pending agreements, and much more. A quick tip, if you're on a shared or public computer, always log out when you're done to keep your information secure. And that's it. Logging in is the first step to fully using Docusign's powerful features.